Hi dear Gemini, how are you guys doing? So this is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading from mid of March till end of the March. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy and we will see what will be the outcome by the end of March, okay? So let's quickly start. Your partner's energy right now is the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like your partner is right now working on themselves, their business, their family, their work. So basically right now your partner is in this mode of working on their business, on their family life, on their coins, on their pentacles. Basically right now they're focused on their work right now and they're enjoying it actually, their family life, their business or their work, whatever it is. Right now they are in the zone of creating a stable life for themselves. Right now your energy right now is Gemini, is the Nine of Swords. I feel like you are stressing over something very very much. You are in anxiety, you are insomniac, you are not able to sleep, you are over analyzing, over thinking, or taking things very very negatively. You are not able to sleep, you are thinking about something very very negatively, and that is why maybe you are feeling this kind of energy right now, okay? Now how they see you, they see you as the Ten of Wands. I feel like your partner feels like you are someone who is not ready to put in the work and they are taking all the stress from their side, or you are someone who takes a lot of pressure, a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, a lot of negative emotions. Basically they feel like you take a lot of stress and you are a very very stressful person, or maybe sometimes they feel like you are a negative person to deal with. I'm really sorry to say this, Gemini, but this is what they are feeling towards you right now. Maybe you are a very sensitive person, and that is why they are feeling like you take unnecessary stress, you take unnecessary negativity, and that is why they are feeling like they are seeing you in this life. How you see them, you see them as the moon. You feel like your person is hiding something from you. They don't reveal the whole truth to you, they don't reveal the things that you should know from their side. And I feel like you feel like this person is not somewhere down the line you feel like this person is not faithful with you, or they are not loyal with you. This is what you are feeling about your person right now. That is why you're stressing over, that is why you are over analyzing and not able to sleep maybe, okay Gemini? And what they feel about this relationship is the Page of Swords. They feel like this relationship is not based on true emotions. They feel like this relationship is not working out. They feel like this relationship is basically uh, more practical than emotional, and they feel like this relationship is kind of blunt, and this there should be love instead of negativity, and there should be clarity, okay? They feel like this relationship is not emotionally balanced. How you see this relationship or this particular person, this is the Six of Pentacles. So I feel like you feel like you are giving too much to this person. You are spending too much energy on this particular person or on this particular relationship, but you are not getting what you want from this relationship. I feel like there's no equal give and take from this person's side. That is what you are feeling right now for this relationship, that you both the parties should equally give and equally take this. And okay, but right now this is not happening, I feel like this. And what they want from this relationship, Nine of Pentacles. I feel like your person right now is working on themselves and they want space. They want space, they want positivity, they want to work on themselves. Right now they want this is the Nine of Pentacles card. So basically right now they want to make themselves stable, make themselves look good, make themselves look into a good future, work on themselves, work on their business. So right now basically I feel like they want space, they want happiness, and they want to create their own space first, and then they will come back eventually, maybe in the future they will come to you. So basically right now they want to create their own world and their own happiness. They want to work on themselves right now, Gemini. What you want from this relationship is the Seven of Cups. You are in a confused state, Gemini. You are very very confused. Maybe there are lots of options for you. Maybe you have options and you are confused which way to go, which option to choose. Or you have options in your work life or in your personal life. Maybe you are juggling between, should I wait for that person, should I work on this relationship, or should I work on my career, should I work on something else, on my inner engineering, on my inner work, or should I meditate, should I do that, should I do that? You're very very confused and you want to come out of this confusion. That is what you want from this relationship. You want to come out of this confusing phase that is making your life maybe hell, and that is why you are not able to sleep and you are feeling stressed out and you are feeling that you are in anxiety and pain. The outcome from their side is the Six of Wands. I feel like this person will be able to do their work, will be able to work on their finances, and they are doing great in their job, they are doing great in their finances, and they might be feeling victorious because of this thing. This is the Six of Wands. So basically I feel like your person will get some kind of recognition, some kind of award, some kind of rewards, and they will basically feel good and victorious. I don't feel any kind of emotional or loving energy from their side right now. Your person is working on themselves only, they are happy about themselves only. Okay, the energy from your side, the outcome from your side is the Five of Cups. This is kind of missing somebody, grieving the loss, or you are coming out of a painful situation, you are in pain, Gemini, and you are dealing with this person's, you are feeling like this person is not giving you that much that you want to give to them, or that you are giving to them. This person is not telling you the truth or hiding something from you. But trust me, this person doesn't have any kind of third party situation here that I can see. They are basically focused on themselves, working on themselves. That is what I'm saying to you, that is what I'm seeing in this reading. But I feel like you feel like this person is not telling you the truth, this person is hiding something from you, and they are acting weird, and they are not talking to you or whatever. So basically that is why you are feeling that you are not getting what you want, you are not in the loving zone, and this person doesn't love you and all that shit. That is why the negativity is creeping. Okay, the outcome from the universe is the Two of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Ace of Wands. The Two of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Ace of Wands. I feel like the confusion will go out eventually by the end of March. You will come out of this confusing state, you will come out of this juggling state, the justice will be served. I feel like this relationship will eventually get what it should. I think the justice card to me is a very very favorable card. I feel like the justice will be served in your favor, the justice will be done in your favor, and the Ace of Wands, there will be a new beginning, there will be a new start in this relationship with this particular person again, after he will come out of this zone of after he will work on themselves, after he will be stable enough to come out to you and reach out to and talk to you. I think there will be the end of this confusing state, and there will be justice, and there will be a new start, a new beginning, a new passionate beginning with this particular person. I think you should just calm down and relax a little bit, because I feel like this person is not hiding someone from you. They might be hiding some things from you because they are busy doing their own stuff right now. But I don't feel like this person is hiding someone from you in particular, or some third party. I don't feel like there's a third party involvement here in this relationship. I feel like you are fearing that there's some kind of other party involved, but I don't think so. Eventually they will come out to you, eventually they will come out of this confusing eventually you will come out of this confusing state, and justice will be served, the whole truth will come out, and there will be a new start in this relationship. Let's sorry, see what the universe, what the love oracle cards are telling you. Okay, the first card is the Sword and Rose, clarity. Yes, I'm telling you, there will be a new start, and the justice will be there. So the Sword and Rose, the clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, power, that will come out eventually, Geminis, for you guys. Okay, and the second card is Cupid's arrow. Have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation or meeting hesitation. Have faith, I told you there will be a new beginning with this particular person by the end of this month. And separation, right now there is separation, missing you, thinking about you, yearning. They are yearning for you, they are thinking about you. There's nothing like they're not missing you, they're missing you, but right now they're working on themselves, and they will eventually come out. Okay, so this is all about your love life till the end of March, Geminis. I hope you will like it. I hope this will help you to create something good in your life and have faith on in yourself. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it does resonate with you. Thank you so much. God bless you.